Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change text color in WordPress. Let's get started. So for this one, let's head over and actually use this and change the text color on our post that we have created. So for example, I have this behind the product. Let's head over and click on this edit option that we can see right here. And then once you have clicked on that, it will open the block editor of WordPress itself. Once it's been opened, you can see a lot of settings. So you can see this one right here. So for example, let's change the text color of this particular thing or this particular text. So you can head over and then choose any block that you want. You can choose the header. You can also choose in here the body if you want as well. Now in here, once you have clicked on the body, you can see in here the option for block. Make sure to click that. And under here is the color. So click on text right here. And you can choose the color that you want for this particular text. For example, let's change it into pink, and as you can see, it's been changed into pink. You can also make this gray, or you can also just click on this particular color and it will open the color wheel wherein you can adjust the color depending on your preference right here. Once you have determined the color that you want for this one, head over and then click on the save option right here in order to save the progress that you have made. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.